In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a project template in Lovable. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with project management, leveraging templates can greatly simplify your workflow and enhance productivity. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to start on the Lovable platform. Open your browser and head over to the Lovable website by navigating to lovable.dev. Once you're there, you'll see the option to access the dashboard. It's typically located in the main navigation bar, easily accessible at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on the dashboard link. This will take you to the hub of your activities where you can manage all aspects of your projects. Think of the dashboard as your central command center. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to locate the Lovable templates. These are pre-designed project frameworks that are tailored to suit various types of projects. Clicking on Lovable templates will open up a wide array of options that you can choose from. This is where you find the perfect template that best aligns with your project's needs. If you're unsure which template to pick, take a moment to preview several options to see what they include and how they might benefit your project. Using templates saves you time and ensures consistency across your projects. They come pre-populated with key phases and steps, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Moreover, these templates are flexible, allowing you to customize them according to your specific requirements. This means you can add or remove tasks, set deadlines, and allocate resources as needed. The result is a project plan that's tailor-made, efficient, and ready to implement right away. One crucial tip is to always take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the template structure. Pay attention to the predefined tasks and deadlines, ensuring that they align with your own project goals. This way, you can make necessary adjustments right from the start, saving you time and potential headaches down the line. Remember, while templates are incredibly useful, they're meant to serve as a guide rather than a rigid structure. In addition to being a time saver, templates can enhance productivity by providing a clear roadmap for you and your team to follow. You'll find that working within a structured framework minimizes misunderstandings, provides clarity on roles and expectations, and keeps the whole team aligned towards the project's success. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively utilize project templates within the Lovable platform to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. It's all about making the process simpler, faster, and more efficient, so you can focus on what truly matters: delivering outstanding results. Thank you for watching, and happy